All right, so here's my here's something I noticed someone on YouTube doing, so I made one myself out of just a basic guitar strap, Planet Waves, anybody cares, and then a boot string, long boot lace, and then another little tiny string, and I just tied it together like that, and together. This is the most important part. You can move it around a little bit, but I wouldn't do that much. One side needs to be a little more than the other. It can be almost equal, but this one you'll see is a little longer because this is for the lower side of the guitar. Anyway, this is a strap for holding your acoustic guitar without having to have strap buttons or having to string it to the guitar. So you take the lower part and you stick it in right there. Oh, you put the strap on like you would any other thing, like a bandolier. Yeah, like a good strolling troubadour busker. You put this bad boy on, like so. It's critical that you get this thing just right. And then there. Now you have a guitar strap without putting anything on your guitar. And that's it.